Hey, what's up? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. Last week, we started talking about what is Dubsado and what features does it have that are going to help you in your business. And today, I wanted to focus on the lead generation and lead management piece. So, in the context of Dubsado, a lead is anyone who shows interest in wanting to know information about your services and with the end goal of wanting to buy. So lead generation is generating those leads or attracting those leads to your business. And managing those leads is basically whenever you start getting a lot of those leads as your business grows, you need a way to track those leads, to manage them, to organize them so that you can follow up appropriately and you know which lead is in what stage of your sales process and what you need to do in order to help move them through that process and actually get them to buy from you. Now, the term lead is used in lots of other programs as well, and that can be a little bit confusing depending on what service you're looking at. But for the purpose of Dubsado, leads are those people, basically those hot people, hot leads that are very interested in your service. They're on the cusp of wanting to buy. You're probably going to do like a discovery call with them or send them a packet of information, put a proposal together, and get them to sign that in a contract and go invoice and purchase your services. So those are going to be what the leads are for Dubsado purposes. And again, using Dubsado to track and manage those leads is very easy. There are different buckets you can put them in, different pieces that you can automate as far as responding to them. There are automated responses. There are forms that you can collect information from them in order to get a better idea of what they're looking for. Dubsado calls most of those lead capture forms. They also have questionnaires that you can use. But a lead capture form, just to throw another term out there, which we'll get more into this later on in the series, but just in general, a lead capture form is just that initial contact that they have with you in your business, where they're going to provide you with at the very least, their name, their email address, possibly a little bit of information about what exactly they're looking for. And then that is how their information gets into your Dubsado so that you can utilize the automations, the automated responses, the lead management, the lead tracking, all of that in your Dubsado account. So that's basically what lead generation and lead management is in Dubsado. And next week, we're going to talk about payment processing, which is the next feature that Dubsado has to offer. So I will see you then.